Good morning. Let's discuss about unformatted input-output function. Okay. Functions like getCH, getChe, getChar comes under this category for inputting. Okay. These functions store only one characters. Okay. Till now we have used scanf function to store values. Unfortunately, we have to press enter key while using scanf function and to store the value in the memory. So this is the main thing. We can read any number of data in scanf. As we discussed earlier, scanf function, using the scanf function we can read a data. We can read a long data. Suppose I want to read 1000, I can read that. So what's the end of that scanf? If I am reading 10, till 10 I have to stop. So till I press enter key, it will read the data. Okay, so whatever data we are providing using scanner function, at the end we have to press enter key. So that's the main thing. Okay, so in a condition when we have to store only one character, these unformatted functions comes very handy. So another important thing, suppose I want to read a character. Okay, I will show you an example. Let's I want to print. I want to I have a character variable, character A, and I have an integer variable int B. Okay, I'm using scanf. So format will be like this: scanf %d and of B. It will read a number. Okay, I'm now reading scanf %c and of A. So what I am doing in this program is that I am reading first a number, next I am reading a character. When we run this program, what we can see is that it will not work properly, because after entering the number we have to press the enter key. When we press the enter key, automatically this A will have that enter value. Enter is considered as a character. Enter is actually a character. So A will have that enter key as a character. So this scanf function will not work, because actually it is working, but we are providing that data, the character, while we are entering the input in number itself. I thought it's clear. When we are entering the first number, at the end, after entering the number, we have to press enter key. When we press enter key, what happens is that enter character will be available in the buffer. Okay, so scanf function, what it do is that till the end of enter, the data will be copied and it will be stored in the address location of B. Okay, so enter character will be available in the buffer, and that buffer will be assigned to A automatically. So what happens is that we will find it difficult in reading characters when you are using scanf. Suppose I am using only a character, no problem here. So only problem that we face is when we are inputting numbers and characters together, we may face some difficulty, because scanf is working like that. It is instructed like that. Whenever you are inputting data in scanf, what we have to do is we have to provide the data. After providing the data, we have to press the enter key. So that's the format of scanf function. Okay. So for reading characters, what we can do is that we can use this unformatted functions like getCH, getChe, getChar, like that. So for using this, we have to use the header file conio.h. Conio.h is the header file. If I want to use these functions, I have to use the header files conio.h. Okay. So let's discuss about these functions. Getch function is the first function. This function is used to store only one character in memory. So it is used to read a character. Okay, it does not echo or display that character on the screen while program execution. So while program is being executed, it will just read a character. So getChe is a similar function. It will also read a single character. Only thing is that after reading the single character, it will echo that to the screen. That's the difference of getCh and getChe. GetChar function. This function works entirely similar to getChe function, but after reading the data, we have to press enter. Okay, it stores one character and display it on the screen, but we have to press the enter key to store one character while using this function. Okay, so that means it works similar to that our scanf function. So these are the unformatted input functions. Okay, so putch, putchar, and puts are used are the unformatted output functions. Putch putch function is used to display all alphanumeric characters throughout the standard output device, like monitors. It will print a character. This function displays single character at a time. Escape sequence does not work properly in putch. So we will discuss about escape sequence. Okay. Putchar. Putchar is similar function. This function is used to print one character on the screen, and this may be any character from C character set. Okay. So both are same. Both putch and putchar. Putch and putchar both displays a single character. Only difference is that sometimes putch find difficulty in printing the escape sequences. Then putts is a function used for printing a string. If you want to print a string, not a single character, then we can use this function putts. So these are the unformatted file functions: getch, getche, getchar, and putts, putch, and putchar. Okay. Now we will discuss about. I think it's clear. Now we will discuss about the escape sequence. Okay. Many programming language support a concept called escape sequence. So what is escape sequence? When a character is preceded by a backslash, we already used this escape sequence /n. Okay. When a character is preceded by a backslash, it is called an escape sequence, and it has a special meaning to the compiler. Okay. For example, if I use /n in the statement, is a valid character and it is called the new line character. So what it will do is that it will print the data, the remaining data in a new line. If I am printing a statement, the first statement will be printed in the first line and second statement will be printed in the second line if I use a /n. So only thing is that it's a special, it will create if we use slash in front of a variable, it will create a special meaning. If it is creating a special meaning, that's a escape sequence. Okay. So we will just familiarize with the commonly used escape sequences. /t, it is used to tab, insert a tab in the text at this point. So if you want to assign a tab means double space. If you want to assign, then we have to use this symbol /t. /b is used for backspacing, because backspacing means cursor currently is in the position, cursor will be in a position. Okay, so if you use /b, it will move to back. Okay, insert a backspace in the text at this point. Moves the action position in the previous position on the current line. If the active position is at the initial position of the line, the behavior of the display device is unspecified. You will see this. Okay, same. We will take. So currently the cursor position is here. If I press backslash, it will move here. So if I want to erase this, I can use this backslash, because normally we will not use this. So suppose I want to erase already written something data, we can use this backslash. What I am finally saying is that if the backslash is in the current this position, if I again use backslash, its behavior of the display device is unspecified. It's not specified. So that's a backslash. If you want to go back, then we can use the symbol /b. Then /n is used for inserting a new line. We have already discussed that. /r, insert a carriage return in the text at this point. Moves the action pointer to the initial position of the current line. If I use /r, currently my cursor position is here. And if I use /r, what happens is this cursor position will automatically move to the first position. And whatever data we are going to write after that, it will be written again from the starting position. So that's the difference. If I use /b, it will move only one position back. If I use slash R, it will move directly to this position. Okay, so that's slash R. Then slash F, normally we will not use that much. Okay, insert a form field in the text this point. Okay. But it mainly used in trending. Okay, if it skips this to the start of the next page, applies mostly to the terminal where the output device is a printer rather than a radio. So only thing is that if you want to skip a page, we can use slash F. Then if I want to use single quotes in my statement, I have to use slash with single quotes. Insert a single quotes character in the text at this point. Okay. If I want to use doubles quotes, okay, I want to print like that, then I have to use slash double quotes. If I use slash a, it will create a slash in front. Insert a backslash character in the text at this point. So we will see all these escape sequence whenever we require. We will use that. Only thing is that we just want to know what is an escape sequence and how we can use that. Okay. So let's see some more examples. Let's show you some examples. So here I am using slash n. Slash n is being used. Okay, you can try all these things when running your program. Just use this. Thank you.